Hi guys, welcome back to Simply Neat. Today's video we're going to be organizing, decorating, and cleaning the kitchen. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Sort out of lies, oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the
So this cabinet I'm going to keep my glass bowls in, and then also going to put my spices in this cabinet as well, just because it is the closest to the stove. And then also at the top I'm going to put some plasticware as well.
Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go.
Also wanted to show you guys this container I got from Dollar Tree. You actually can put your fruit in it and then it seals it up so your fruit can stay fresh in the refrigerator. I just thought it was pretty neat. So you guys check those out at Dollar Tree.
I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn.
So for my spices, I just keep them in these containers, and I purchased these containers at Big Lots. So all I do is just place all of our spices in these containers. We have 3 of them, 2 large ones and 1 small one that you'll see in a second. So I don't really go for the Pinterest worthy type spices with organizing, but I definitely want to try that out in the future.
Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know.
The next cabinet I'm going to be working on, since it is the closest to the refrigerator, I'm going to put all my glass cups, also plates, saucers, and then up top I'm going to put some extra glassware as well.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the coma.
If you are slowly organizing your cabinets, definitely check out Lazy Susan's. You can purchase them on Amazon, or you can get them at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. They are very great at organizing definitely items within the cabinet. So here I'm going to put all of our medicines on it, and then I'm just going to create this cabinet to be like our health and fitness type cabinet. So all of our vitamins are going in there, medicine, all those types of things are going to go in this cabinet.
I got so high on a
One thing I always like to do when I'm organizing is definitely cleaning along the way or through the process. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to straighten some things up, and then we'll work on the next space. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and be a part of my YouTube family here. I post about cleaning, organizing, lifestyle, DIY projects, you name it. If you are needing any type of motivation or inspiration to get things done, I'm definitely the channel you'll want to be subscribed to. So I would love for you to join us here.
what things you like and what you don't.
So the next space I'm going to work on is my utensil drawer. So I got these containers from Dollar Tree a long time ago, and I should have went and got like all the same colors, but I'm just going to use what I got instead of going to purchase new items. So I'm just going to use all these and separate all of my spoons, forks, knives, Elenies, utensils, and then in the back I'm going to put like some medicine, syringes, and things like that.
All my questions, get to know you better. How can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy.
Since this cabinet is the closest to the refrigerator and right below the glassware, I'm just going to make this our water bottle cabinet. Also, I'm going to put our lunch bag later on in there as well.
To give you my heart, yeah. Before I'm too invested.
And as far as our pots and pans go, I was able to fit most of the items underneath here. We are definitely minimalist when it comes to pots and pans. I just feel like you really only need 4 or 5 every time you cook, so there's no need of having a ton of them. But most of them did fit under there. And then a couple of pans I'm going to put in this cabinet. But overall, I love the way everything turned out, and I can't wait to show you guys how I decorated as well towards the end.
Without a feelings, baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
So I'm going to go ahead and put up some glassware that I had left out, and then also I put like my little odds and end items in a basket just to keep them all together. So I think it's like a pineapple slicer, also a dash waffle maker, a strainer, so small things like that. I just put them all in a basket so we'll know exactly where to go when we need those odds and ends items.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted?
I'm going to put up these last few dishes, and then I'm going to go ahead and spray everything down and then wipe everything down. And then I had some of the decor actually on my counters, but what I did was, and what I would recommend you would do whenever you are decorating, is to take everything off of the countertop so you'll have a clean slate, a blank canvas, and then you can really think through what you want to do with your decor.
Did you ever stop and think why spend too much time?
I do want to let you know that Wednesday's video will be Eleni's closet / nook makeover, and then Sunday's video will be laundry motivation video within the new apartment, so stay tuned for those videos.
Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me?
Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post new content. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post on there in regards to when my videos are live, so definitely go ahead and follow me on there. It's Simply Neat CO. So I would love for you to join me over on Instagram. Also, I want to know how you're doing in the comments. I love talking to you guys in the comments, so just definitely let me know how you're doing and what videos you have coming up if you are a YouTuber, and you can definitely put your YouTube below. So if anybody that's watching my video, definitely go support those small YouTubers as well.
All of the time when you're around me, but this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight.
So if you guys been following me for a while, you know that I definitely go for the minimalist style. So I don't keep very much on my countertops. And I purchase a lot of my items from Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Ross, places like that, because it is low budget and cost friendly. But I definitely am going for the more modern bohemian style. So I'm doing a lot of like plants, so greenery, a lot of bamboo wood type colors, natural wood colors, and some whites and marble as well. So that's pretty much what I did within the kitchen. I would love for you to let me know what you think about my decor in the comments below. That Let's Stay Home sign, I actually just put that together when I was going for the more modern farmhouse style, but it's not too much on the bohemian style, but I needed something in that corner, so I'm just going to use that for now.
In the club, we'll go all night. I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music, energies like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop.
I'm also going to go ahead and show you guys what the cabinets look on the inside, so I'll show you guys that right now.
Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see it's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's some magic in your eyes.
I hope you guys enjoyed this kitchen, clean, organize, and decorate with me video. I hope you stay tuned for the next video, which will be out on Wednesday. And once again, that will be Eleni's Nook/makeover video. So I will definitely love for you to check that one out. And thank you guys for staying till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I cannot hide it. We won't regret it. So come with me, maybe we're meant to